name's Waka. Grew up in Whangarei, moved down to Auckland to study diploma in business. So at school I did bursary in computing. I was really good at computing, although my passion was sport at the time, and I did a lot of basketball and rugby and stuff. I finished my diploma. It took 3 years, and yeah, once I finished that I applied for a job, and I got a job in a large government organisation. It didn't take very long. I was the part of the role was to work in the help desk, and I learnt very quickly that I enjoyed IT or a digital career. The tertiary institute that I chose was because I'd already studied at AUT. I decided to go back to AUT because I enjoyed studying there with my diploma in business, and the qualification I chose was purely just because it was suited to what the job entailed, and it was at AUT that was the equivalent of what kind of job I was doing and what I wanted to move into. The qualification I chose was the Bachelor of Computer Information Science and majoring in Network and Security. So I'm still with the government department that I've been working for 5 years. I was interested in cloud computing because it's up and coming technology that's being used all around the country, so I chose this project, the Two Onions project. The Two Onions project involved auditing and deploying cloud computing solutions to clinics around Auckland. Yes, the Two Onions is a company that deploys cloud computing solutions, and so I've been working as in the internship to help deploy cloud computing solutions to clinics around Auckland, GP clinics. Since I've worked in the internship, I've met not only the Two Onions crew, but also I've been working with two other guys from my project team from AUT. So yeah, it's been good. We've been able to develop a good friendship and really get some work going. Technical auditing point of view, we've developed a lot of skills in that perspective. We've also developed a lot of good business relationship skills and communication skills, and also we've just worked well as a team and managed to get some cloud technical skills as well. The highlight for me is just learning the new skills technically, but it's also developing some good networking as far as getting to know some cloud computing technicians and just some really good people that will help you further your career. So I have 2 papers left to finish my Bachelor of Computer Information Science, and then I should graduate by June next year. My advice for young people wanting to work in a digital career is that it's not always necessary to get a degree straight away or get a qualification straight away. You know, you can always work in the industry, which is what I basically did first, and find out whether you enjoy it or not, and get to know some of the skills and the people in the industry, and then move into it as a qualification later on. I found that it was a lot easier doing my qualification because I had that knowledge of the industry beforehand, and it made a lot of the assignments and exams easier.